Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name's Mimi and I like to make videos where I transform myself from busted to probably even more busted depending on how you guys feel about the look. But today I'm going to actually show you guys how I take down my first ever chunky box braids that I did probably like 3 weeks ago at school. I did it for a grade, but in reality, I did it because I needed just a quick style to do so that I can stop touching my hair so much. And here I'm just showing you guys what the roots look like. They didn't look too bad. It was really what the middle of the hair looked like. As you can see, it's like you can see my ends within the braid, and that wasn't cutting it for me, so I had to wait. Where are you going? Oh, you needed some shears. Okay. But basically, yeah, I have to take these busted ass box braids down because it's not working for me anymore. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. I'm just cutting off where I think my hair may have stopped. I might have been extra when it came to figuring out where my hair stopped at, but better safe than sorry, right? So just gonna snip that off, and I'm going to start unraveling the braid. And I'm going to let you guys watch me do that. So here I'm just showing you guys what my roots look like when it comes to the buildup from the edge control I used to section off the braids. It wasn't that bad, but my scalp was itching really bad for the past couple of days, but it doesn't look how it felt, if that makes any sense. But oh, I just wanted to point this out. I hope everybody is doing okay during this whole COVID-19 thing that's going on. A lot of people, no, you know what, I shouldn't even say that because I don't want YouTube to take my video down, because I got this message where they said all videos that contain information about COVID-19 will be demonetized because we don't want you guys basically making profit off of a world crisis. Which, I mean, it makes sense, but still, I got some words to say, honey. Okay, I got some words to say. Here you see me just cutting off the ends of every braid because I felt like it would go faster if I did that and then started unraveling them, which it probably didn't do shit, but in my head it did. And yeah, I'm chatting too much, so I'm gonna let you guys get back to watching me take out my braids. You guys probably can't tell, but I was so over it at this point. Like, I mean, there's no going back now because half my head is almost already done, but man, was I tired. Like, I could not wait to be done and just go wash my hair. Like, look at my face. I'm like, please be almost over. Like, look at me. So here I just wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like being pulled from underneath the rubber band. I thought it looked real satisfying for some reason, but I just wanted to show you guys that. Alright, you guys, I'm finally on my last braid, and you do not understand how happy I am to have these braids out of my head. Like, look at that face. Oh my gosh. Finally happy to see my curls again, and I'm so happy to go wash it because it's been forever. So I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like all around, and I'm going to go wash my hair, and I will be right back. Peace. Okay, you guys, I am back and feeling good, feeling fresh, so clean. Look at that face, so glowy, eyebrows still laid, and I'm gonna take my hair out and show you guys what the curls are looking like. Here I'm just showing you guys my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is the Imovie Shea Pro Leave-In Moisture. I don't even know if I said that right, but bear with me. This is like my best friend, you guys. I swear to you, it's thick, it's butter. It just makes my hair feel so soft the next morning, and I cannot get enough. Here I'm just prepping my hair for the application of the leave-in, and then I'm going to take my hair back out and prep it for going to bed. If you guys would like to see more videos involving my curly hair, how I take care of it, what products I use, what styles I do, leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below on what types of videos you would like to see, and don't forget to subscribe. This is the amount of shedding that I had lost. Obviously there was probably a little bit more, but I wasn't able to catch it in time before hitting the drain, but I'd say it wasn't that much. Now I'm about to put my hair up in a double pineapple and get ready for bed. But now that we are heading towards the end of this video, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me take out those box braids, and I hope that you are going to subscribe to my channel, because why would you not? I mean, I'm giving you makeup, I'm giving you hair. What else could you ask for? You know what I mean? Like, come on now. Stop playing with me. Subscribe to my channel. Make me feel good. Like, this is supposed to be my year and y'all playing me. Like, 2020 is really playing me right now. Alright, you guys, the end has arrived. I'm so sorry if y'all were bored watching this damn video. I know it was probably long as hell, but I just wanted you guys to watch me take out these braids. That's kind of why I left them in for so long too, because I was just waiting for the day to show you guys me taking them out, basically, the whole process. And look at all that hair. Like, you wouldn't even think all that hair was just in my head, but it was. And honestly, when it was in the pack, when I was putting the braids in, it didn't seem like I put that much hair in either. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I will catch you guys in the next video.